We love controversial viral mascaras. So I already knew I had to put this to the test, especially for the no lash girlies, because mine are puny. I've been using an oil treatment for like past few weeks. We'll see how that goes. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Lengthening Mascara. Curling the lashes first. This is going to be one coat, but we're going to go in with a few. With puny ass lashes like mine, listen, we need to layer. Because if you've seen any of the other videos, their lashes are long. And that's not me. And I want that. Here it is. This is just the first coat. Let's go ahead and apply to the bottom lashes. What do we think? I can see the difference immediately. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the other side, and I'm going to keep coating. And I got to say, breathtaking. What do we think? Because this is giving volume. It's giving lengthening. I'm always 100% straight up with my reviews. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. I like this. I think it works for me, especially with someone with very small lashes. It's hard. Trust me, it is hard to find a good mascara. I absolutely love the brush one. Anastasia definitely nailed it with the formula. And if you're in the market for a new mascara, let it be this one.